morning and welcome to another Logicbus video. Today we'll be showing some of our rain power sources that are available on our online store. The AC/DC power sources from the LP1 family are available in voltages of 24, 12 or 5 volts, currents from 1 ampere up to 20 amperes, and they are DIN rail and screw mountable. They have an input voltage of 90 to 264 VAC or 127 to 380 VDC. They have an input frequency of 47 to 63 Hz with an output voltage monitor display. Their no-load consumption is lower than 1.3 watts. They are compliant with the high efficiency power 80 plus criterion, and they are also compliant with the 2010 Energy Conservation Power ERP regulation. They have high reliability convection cooling on less than 300 watt models and ventilation in 500 watt models. They have 100% burn-in test and they come with a 1-year warranty. Up next, we'll do a little demonstration with this connected equipment. These power sources have a built-in potentiometer with which it's possible to adjust the output voltage of the source, so that once we've connected the device to be powered, it allows us to do a fine-tuning in case the voltage has decreased due to the load. In addition, they have an integrated protection system in case of a short circuit to the voltage output. The moment a short happens, they are protected and restored automatically once the short is eliminated. Thank you for watching another Logicbus video. For more information on these and other products, you can find us on these phone numbers and emails. Please subscribe to our channel and give us a follow on all of our social networks. You'll find the links to these and our online stores on this video's description. Until next time.